Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Instagram account, right? So we will not use the Instagram mobile application here because that is not available. The feature is not available in the application. So we have to use the Chrome browser or any other browser, right? So you have to go to on search option and just type Instagram and just go to the Instagram website. So and after that you have to log in into that Instagram, okay? And here on the bottom right side corner, just go to your profile and here you have to click on the edit profile, right? So and just scroll to the last and here you can see the option that is temporarily deactivate my account. Click on this and just wait for a year and select your reason why you are why you are deactivating. So maybe I will select this one, and after that you have to enter your password, and here just after entering the password just click on the temporarily deactivate my account. And this is it guys, this is pretty easy how you can deactivate. And if you want to reactivate the Instagram account, you have to just log in into the app or from the website and you are done, right? So this is it. I hope you like this video and make sure to leave a comment down below if this was helpful for you, and also like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.